Thank you so much for watching this video, and this is part 2. So I'm going to explain concatenate, convert, CORREL, count, COUNTA, COUNTBLANK and COUNTIF, and please make sure to subscribe this channel. And there is another part in which I already explained ceiling, cell, char, choose, clean, code and combine formula, concatenate formula. This function joins separate piece of text into one item. Formula details, concatenate, and then select your text till 1 till 30, starting from text 1 till 30. So no special formatting is needed, and the result will be shown as normal text. Convert formula. This function converts a value measured in one type of unit to the same value expressed in a different type of unit, such as inches to centimeter. Formula details: convert, amount to convert, unit to convert from, and then unit to convert it to. Formatting required? No formatting required. This formula works in every single version of Excel, and complete details are all available in description box, so you just need to copy and paste. CORREL formula. This function examines two sets of data to determine the degree of relationship between the two sets. The result will be decimal between 0 to 1. The larger the result, the greater the collection. CORREL formula: range 1 and then range 2, means you need to select range 1 to range 2, then you will get the relationship between two set of data. The result will be normally be shown as in decimal format. This is very unique formula, guys. I'm pretty much sure nobody is going to tell you this kind of formula in whole YouTube. Count, very familiar, we all know that. Count, this function counts the number of numeric entries in a list. It will ignore blank text and errors. Formula details: you just need to mention count, range 1 till range 30. Make sure range 1 till range 30. Formula required, formatting required or not? No special formatting is needed. Count works in every single version of Excel. Count A, very basic but very important. This function counts the number of numeric or text entries in a list. It will ignore blanks. Formula details: count A, range 1 through range 30. Formatting required or not? No special formatting is needed. So this is very basic formula, but yeah, we all love to use this. Count A, COUNTBLANK. Very simple. This function counts the number of blank cells in a range. Formula details: just need to mention COUNTBLANK, range to text, and formatting required or not? No special formatting is needed, guys. Very basic, works in every single version of Excel. COUNTIF. We love to use, means I love to use COUNTIF because through COUNTIF you can create your own criteria. This function counts the number of items which match criteria set by users. Formula details: COUNTIF, range of things to be counted, and then you need to mention the criteria. So COUNTIF, range of things to be counted, criteria to be matched. No special formatting is needed, guys. So this is part 2, and if you want to check ceiling, cell, char, choose, clean, code and combine formula, so please check video number part 1. Formula start from C. Again, please make sure to subscribe this channel. Complete details available in description box, so just copy and paste. Try every single formula from your side, and practice to make a man perfect. So please try the same from your side. If you have any question, you just need to mention your question in comment box. We'll get back to you within 24 hours. So have a great future, and thank you so much, guys, for watching this video. Have a great future ahead. Thanks a lot.